Welcome back to another episode of Below the Surface. As you can see from the title and thumbnail and where we're sitting right now, we just purchased a boat.
Snapper and that down out of Blamby. Yeah, he went out yesterday, only for a couple of hours, didn't do any good, but yeah, we don't go far out, we only go about 3 mile out, about 40 metres of water, 40, 50 metres of water, we get there, find a feed. Just big full hose, and even the hoses down the bottom there. Yeah. That's the other thing I didn't notice. Paddles. Yeah, it's only got the one pack. Oh no, it's got 2 paddles, that's right, yeah.
You got all your crabbing hotspots on your chart plotter still?
I never actually used it. The only thing I ever used was, really, the only thing I used was the fish finder. Just
How do you feel, mate?
And that, but yeah, there's no marks or anything like that.
I'm so
Yeah, use that, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, the solid weight? Yeah.
And now, it's ours.
Yeah, what's the black for?
That's a cable for
So
the
it
brakes.
attaches your lights to the back.
Guess that means it works.
Starting off at the back of the vessel, we have a 50 horsepower 4-stroke. It's in pretty good condition for a 2002 boat. Also, it's pretty neat and we really like is the ladder at the back for diving, especially getting in and out, and also the live bait tank that is fully plumbed. We got rod holders all in the back, 4 of them on each side. We have the comfy back stool, 2 chairs, storage in the sides, and we came with, in the driver's seat, we have our chart plotter and also our Lowrance sounder, which is in pretty good nick. We might upgrade them, we'll just see how we go in regards to money. Here on the side, little thing for all your tackle. We got to get a few trays for that. All right, up the front we got another 2 rod holders with a 4 storage rod holders, which is pretty handy. We have another little storage clips and a chair. And the other good thing we love about this boat is the openness. We have all this room to pack all our gear for camping trips, which is on the agenda for the next holiday, which we're super keen for. But other than that, I think we picked up a perfect craft for us and what we're planning to do.
Just trying to film the boat motor and Chapo has to scratch his itch. That's my phone.
She's been christened.
The first fish on the boat.
He's huge, mate.
Here he goes.
At least the boat works.
Was that right at the boat?
He literally got it at the last second.
It's a nice size.
Plenty of life in him.
Oh, look at he just spat up.
Ew. I'm getting bites on this chart.
Oh, there are little bumps and stuff. That's the lure. Yeah. How's that? Not bad. Live bait tank.
Original.
Oh, there we go.
No.
Oh, he's jumping.
Bait.
He's big.
It's unfair. Smack it. He's huge.
No.
No, I just filled the bait.
The bills.
What are you gonna use?
It's our pet.
Romeo, get back in the bait.
Round 2.
What'd you get, mate?
I don't even know what you got. I forgot what you got. I got a chicken burger and chips.
You forgot what I got.
And
Did you order it?
double fish. I don't know what it's called. Chapo told me before I went in.
The double seafood pack.
You just didn't order it?
I'd be so cut.
Oh, you're lucky. I'm gonna squash your burger.
So far your burger is nearly fallen in the water. Nearly been squashed by an angler.
Yeah, we caught all this.